we're back with another video. Make sure you like, subscribe. This is New Orleans style red beans and rice. So here's my prep of the veggies. You soak your beans. I'll put the recipe down below. It's quick and it's easy. These are our crock pot chronicles. Again, I soak my beans. I normally soak them overnight, but these beans I soaked them in the morning, and I started cooking probably around about 1 o'clock. Again, everything is fresh, and when I tell you these beans were delicious, Damon had 2 plates. Again, this includes my veggies, my sausage. That's already I put in it. The veggies, all of my seasons. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And sausage, and I just season them. Chicken broth. Again, you can see here the inside of the crock pot. You can see the seasoning splashes on the sides there. Put some bay leaves. Again, I'll let you watch. You can see here, this is the inside. You see how colorful that is? Like, they call it the Holy Trinity, where you have your onions, your bell pepper, your celery. Oh, God, I got some fresh bell peppers, little mini bell peppers from HEB. Again, make sure you like. And this is one of my secrets, chicken broth. I love chicken broth. Again, make sure you watch the video all the way through. Comment, subscribe. What is your favorite recipe to cook and the crock pot? Give us some ideas. Again, this is red beans and rice, authentic red beans and rice, not that Popeyes. Again, here we go.
Right,
and here are some of my favorite seasonings. Comment below, what are your favorite seasonings? So this one is one of mine's, poultry season. This one is another one, the ranch seasoning. And then this one is one of my favorites, is the chicken bouillon. They normally come in cubes, but I get this now in this one. So comment below, what is your favorite seasonings to cook with? I have some other favorites I'll be showing, but make sure you comment, like, subscribe. You made it through. This is the red beans and rice and sausage. Again, it was so good. It was seasoned to perfection. And give myself a pat on the back. Again, make sure you subscribe, you like. This is over a bed of rice. Again, this has been Eats and Travels. Again, where we love to eat. Comment, subscribe. It's super easy. Again, these are some behind the scenes of the veggies that I use, the little pictures. Again, make sure you like, subscribe. Until the next time.